Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to the Riverfront Precinct in Rockhampton. This area gives Rockhampton a metropolitan feel in a regional city. Here I am at the Edge Apartments, and on offer today is a dual key apartment that, would you believe, nets, after letting pool fees, about 10% return. Must be one of the best waterfront opportunities in Australia at the moment. Why don't you go inside and take a look around? If you're looking for an incredible opportunity on the riverfront of Rockhampton, why don't you give us a call about this dual key investment? It's right for the picking here in Central Queensland.